Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add voice assistant Alexa to your speaker Denon Home 150. You have to start by open HEOS application, go to settings, click on voice assistance, but if you haven't it, click on my devices and return. And right now in voice assistant. Amazon Alexa. Now choose your country. Click next. Choose your device. Click sign in selected. Sign it with Amazon. Continue. Get started. Continue with setting up the device. Now you should write your email and password. And sign in. Allow. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!